Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletier, and I'm the weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Monday. It's the second day of December 2024, and lake effects, snow showers, and squalls really cranking up all east and south of the Great Lakes on this Monday. An Arctic outbreak of cold air has expanded south and east from the northern plains through the Midwest and persist into a good portion of this upcoming week. Now, dangerously cold wind chills are expected in the northern plains and the upper Midwest. And the heavy lake effect snow bands and snow showers have developed downwind of the Great Lakes and will continue into next week. Travel could be difficult to impossible in many of those places near the Great Lakes, especially, as mentioned, to the south and to the east of those Great Lakes. Moreover, upper-level energy will produce light to moderate snow over parts of the northern plains and the upper Mississippi River Valley on Sunday evening and on Monday. And furthermore, this wave of low pressure will create a light to moderate amount of snow in central Appalachians on Monday morning. And then by a later portion of the day, a second wave of low pressure will cause some light snow over the southern Ohio Valley into the Tennessee Valley. We saw some light snow and snow showers on Sunday over West Virginia that actually traveled just over southern New Jersey and the Delmarva Peninsula, but that's moving away from the area at this time. Now, look at the weather situation for most of the nation on this Monday, and it looks pretty good. Of course, except for the south and the east shores of the Great Lakes, where those lake effect snow squalls and bands have been occurring over the last several days. On Monday, high pressure is building southward right through the Dakotas. Very cold weather moving into there, as mentioned. And it'll be moving into the Chicago area, so they're going to have some snow showers on Monday and Monday evening. New York area still basically dry with high pressure, the main feature just offshore, and a strong northerly flow. That will give us a little bit of cloud cover and even some snow flurries in sections of the Poconos and the Catskills and Adirondacks over the next 36 hours. Boston area is looking fair but cold, as is New York City, Washington, D.C., all fair, cold conditions. Atlanta is dry, but also dry conditions, but on the chilly side in Central and South Florida. Most of Texas is looking pretty good, too, from Dallas to Houston, and then into the West Coast, dry conditions from San Diego all the way up to Portland and Seattle. On the West Coast, looks like some dry conditions at least for the next 24 to 36 hours. If you're traveling, no major problems weather-wise. As mentioned, the Chicago area may have some scattered snow showers and squalls, slowing things up just a bit there, but Minneapolis is dry but extremely cold. And dry conditions in New York, Philadelphia, New York City, into the New England area is also going to be fair conditions, so no problems traveling in those places as well. So a real bundle-up weather as we now enter into the start of meteorological winter. And we are going to have some very cold readings this week and a reinforcement of that cold weather towards the end of this upcoming weekend, this weekend. I'm Steve Pelletier. I'll talk to you first thing on Tuesday morning. Have a great Monday. Talk to you first thing tomorrow morning.